just coming at you real quick. We're not doing anything extravagant today, but so I was in the craft room working on another stool crate top that you saw the other night in my thrift flip video. If you have not seen that, I will link that down below in comments and in my description box, where I took an old milk crate and then you take a couple pieces of wood and you put them together, kind of like that. And then you can cover it with some material and some squishy foam. You take your milk crate. You, of course, have storage. You take the top lid you made, put it on, and you have a stool for kiddos, and it duels as storage for your classroom. And I've had some others comment, you can absolutely flip this upside down and then just stick like a cushion on top, and you could still stuff in it. Perfect. It's all works. This was already done for me, so I'm just recovering them. So we got the pink done the other night. So I got in the craft room and I was starting to work on my other colors here that are going with the new theme of my classroom. Now you're probably asking, well, why aren't you going to show us the same thing we already saw the other day? Well, I'm not. I'm just here really quick. Hopefully, this is about the fourth time I've done this, and I'm trying to be fast, but you know how this mouth don't stop. Okay, it's kind of like train off the track, derail, and it just keeps on going. Okay, but I figured while I was in here, I wanted to tell y'all about something and let y'all know about something. So, I want to redo my classroom. Many of you know that my classroom is bees, because of my friend Shelly, who retired and left me everything, and sunflowers, which came from my previous classroom. So it kind of got to the point I was tired of just the yellow because yellow is not my favorite color. And bees are wonderful creatures. Love your bees. If we weren't for bees, we'd have nothing. So, but I don't want the bees as decor, you know? So I needed more color in my life, which is why I was doing the pastels. And then also the other night, if you watched the thrift flip video, I showed you my new theme that goes with my pastels called Silly Goose. If you didn't see that, I'll pop this in here, or it might be over here. I don't know. But many of you who've been some OGs that have been here for a while knew that my classroom was sunflowers and bees. I will try to find an old clip because I remember I did a video at Christmas time and I showed you how it looked at Christmas. I will try to stick that in here somewhere. Okay? And I want to go from that to Silly Goose. The only way I can do that is out of my own pockets. I work at a very rural, that's a hard word to say, rural, very small school district. Pre-K through 12th grade, boom, one big campus. Okay? We do not give each teacher a little stipend. Like, hey, here's $200, spend it on your class. I know there's quite a few districts here in Texas that do that, and then all over the United States, if the school is able to, they give each teacher some money to put forth toward their classroom, and can do whatever they want with it. We don't have the luxury of having that because we're so small, we're rural, and thanks to the state, we don't get all the budgeting for that. So if we ever need anything for our classroom, it comes out of our pocket. You know, we as teachers, you know what our pay is. And if you don't, you haven't been around too long, huh? Okay, anyway, I did not want to do this, but then I thought, oh, gee. And then my friends and my family said, girl, do it. Do it. As you know, it is Amazon Prime deals going on, right? So what better time for teachers to send out, and we all have them, a teacher wish list. Down in my description box, and I will also have it in the first pinned comment, I'm going to link my Amazon classroom wish list because I want to do some changes to my classroom and get some new things going, all for the kiddos. So I'm doing what I can with what I can. I'm redoing some things like I've done with the crates. And of course, you know, I got plenty of materials around here. But there are quite a few things that I don't have that I could use for the kids to make them feel at home. For a lot of our kids where we are, school is their safety zone. School is their safe place. So I really want to make this a very comfortable environment for my little first graders. Um, Jojo, Say hello, Jojo. This is the new baby that I meant to tell you about the other day. And I didn't, but she popped into the screen. She's gonna be a spicy one like her Moose brother. Moose is teaching her all kinds of good stuff. Many of you know I lost Bees, literally lost him. That was back January the 2nd, and he still has not appeared. So we got a baby. We got a baby. She's only 2 months old. Yep, see, she's spicy. She's spicy. Spicy JoJo, aka for Jolene is her official name. Yes, the Dolly Parton song. She gonna take somebody's man. You better watch it. Anyway, after cute baby there. Can you resist a cute baby? Well, look at my mommy's wish list. She's a teacher and she's poor and she needs to feed me because I'm starving. Yep, that's what she said. So, like I said, guys, I didn't want to post this. I don't want to seem like a beggar, a moocher, or like, oh, I don't want need somebody else buy me this. That's not me. I'm not like that. I don't ask for things like that. And so I didn't want to do this, but my friends and family taught me into it. They said, go for it, girl. I posted it on my Facebook. I posted it on my Instagram. And I will post it in the community post here on YouTube, as well as I will have this link down below in my first comments and description box. I am grateful if all you do is just go and look to see what this is going to look like, because I am going to take you guys through this process. I know I've been MIA and haven't been posting hardly anything for about 3 months now, but I am going to take you on this journey of remodeling my classroom. And I got a month left before we go back to school. Yeah, we start back July 31st. Kids come back August 5th, 6th. So yeah, so got a lot of work to do. And any help I could get, I would be absolutely forever grateful for. But even if all you do is go look through the wish list just to get an idea of why I'm doing the pastels and how it all links together with the silly goose stuff, that, you know what? I just want to share with you guys. You guys are my family. You're my YouTube lovies, and I just wanted to share with y'all. If you feel like you want to purchase something, if not, I'm just seriously glad y'all are here and have stuck with me. That is the most, this, I can't tell y'all. And it has been officially 2 years that I have been here on Facebook, and y'all have been with me most of this ride. So we're going on year 3, and it's going to start off by taking you on a uh, flip of my classroom from sunflowers and bees to pastels and silly geese. Look, I said geese, not gooses. Aren't you proud of me? And then look, even Mr. Mooseman says, yeah, you gotta feed my big fat face too. Look how big, look at this. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. You can't pass that up, can you? Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you guys for hanging in there with me. I will have my Amazon wish list, and also keep in mind, moose hair, that this isn't only a wish list, this is a reminder list for myself. It's kind of like when we put things in our cart or make a wish list on Temu or Amazon or Etsy. We may not necessarily buy it right now, but we stick it in the cart or on a wish list just so we remember, oh, yeah. Like if we see another, like I've been watching YouTube videos of other teachers and they get something and I'm like, that's the coolest thing ever. I didn't even know they had that. So I will immediately go and put it on my Amazon list just so I don't forget. So don't be blown away and like, oh my God, I can't believe she has this on here. Oh, that's a lot of money. Or wow, this is so much. I mean, it is, but the reason that list is rolling is mainly for this brain right here, because this brain don't roll. You know what this brain is? Choo choo, boom, okay? And then sometimes it turns into the struggle bus. We drive the struggle bus. We drive the hot mess express. You know we all over, right? So you guys come with me on that journey, because I'm pretty sure my Maddie will be in this weekend for a week from Oregon. So I'm so excited. My youngest baby. So, and my birthday's Thursday, and my mom's birthday's coming up, and Maddie's birthday's coming up. And so we're going to be having some fun this next week or so. But then I will get y'all in the classroom with me. I'm going to leave a picture or a little video right here showing you what the classroom looked like here at the end of the year. Yeah. So, and it's even worse than that now. But it is organized. What I do have is organized. The closets are organized. I will give you all a tour as soon as I get back to the school before I do start anything. So if you guys want, if you just want to look, you may find some things on there like, hey, I want that. If it gives you an idea, just go take a look just to give yourself some ideas, whatever. I know this isn't a craft thing, it's my school stuff, but you know, that's my passion. My second is my crafting. My crafting leads into my school stuff. It all goes together. My OGs understand what I'm saying. And you know this is a big hot mess. So I'm gonna get back to my stools here before I run out of time. Okay, so I don't know what happened. I don't know what y'all heard last, but JoJo stomped on the keyboard. Anyway, Amazon link, description box, first pinned comment. I've posted it on Facebook. I've posted it on Instagram, and I'm going to post it in the community post here on YouTube. Just go take a look and browse. I'm forever grateful for every single one of you. I love y'all so very much. Let's go year 3. We're going to start it off with a classroom makeover. I hope y'all enjoy once I get to that point. So I might be MIA for another week or so. Surprise, surprise, right? I just love you guys. That's all I wanted to say. 30 minutes later, I love you. You guys have a good week ahead. I love you so much. Go browse that wish list because I bet you might find something you might like to have just for yourself. Or maybe you got some grandbabies or little ones of your own and that you go get it for yourself. That's even better. So I love you guys so much. You have a great week. I'm going to have a good one when my Maddie gets here with my Maddie and my Ashton and my mom and everybody. And happy birthdays to everybody and good summers. Watch your weather. Keep your eyes to the skies. Be careful of all that yucky weather that could be out there. And mwah, Moose and JoJo say bye bye. Love you.